Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get CoinGecko API key. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have the market. We have where you can see check out all the coins, the portfolio, where you can check out your portfolios, search bar, explore, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more, where you can check out all of the stuff on your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get CoinGecko API key. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to get an API key from CoinGecko, follow these steps. First of all, sign up and log into your CoinGecko account. Then go to the developer dashboard. So you need to go to the developer dashboard. After that, click on add new key to create a new API key. After you have clicked on add new key, then use the newly created API key as a query parameter when making API requests. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.